Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is Lord, You Been Good, and that is by Willie Banks. A nice old gospel song, but you know what? It's a beautiful one. We're going to get into it. And this song was requested by David Sims. Let's give it a thank you so much, David, for this awesome request.
And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life.
All right, guys, we're in the key of B. That's B, D flat, E flat, E, G flat, A flat, B flat, B. And of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Guys, you know what we're going to do like we always do? We're just going to stretch out our hands. We're going to crack our knuckles. And we're going to get ready to play this awesome song, Lord, You Been Good.
To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers.
Easy song. We're going to get through it, guys. So this song starts off with all right, let me give you that. So we're on the 1. We're playing our B major chord. Our bass is going 6, 5, 6. And then we're going. All right, let me give you that. We're playing our 5. We're playing our G flat major chord. And we're hitting our top 5. And then we're going 7, 2, 3. And then we're going to our. So all we're doing is we're going 1. We're playing our B major chord. Going to our 4 chord. That's the E major chord. And then we're playing our 5. Stay on the E major chord. And then go to the 1. That's your B major chord. They're doing this nice, beautiful walk up. All we're playing is we're playing this G flat dominant 7 chord on the 5. We're moving on up. That's our E6 chord, and we're on our 6. And then we're going back to our first chord, and we're playing that on the 7. So we start off with, Lord, you know you've been so good. Lord, you know you've been so good. Let's stop right there. So I'm pretty sure you hear the shuffle going on. That's the groove, right? 1, 6, 5, 6, 1. Right, and then in our right hand, we're just going regular B major chord. 1, 6, 5, 6, 1. And we're doing a nice walk up here. Right there, we're just going. We're playing our E6 chord on the 2, going up to our 3, and we're playing our B major chord. Now we're going to another shuffle. Give you that shuffle. We're going 4, 2, 1, 2, 4. All right. So next part is over me all night long. Lord, you know you've been so good. All right. Let me give you that over me. Over me. All we're doing is we're playing a B major chord, and we're playing a 6, 5, 6. All we're doing is we're playing a G flat major chord. We're going 5, 7, 2, 3. Then we're going, Lord, you know you've been so good. All that is 1. We're playing our B major chord. Going up to our 4, that's an E major chord. Going to our 5, same E major chord. And then end on the 1, that's the B major chord. Guys, that's the whole first part. That's the chorus 1. So the next part is, Jesus, I've been wrong in my life, and sometimes I even sin. All right, let me give you that. So we're going 1, we're on our B major chord. We're just doing that same groove, right? We're going 6, 5, 6. I've been wrong in my life. We're just walking up to our 3. We're going 1, then we're just walking up to our 3. And right there on the 3, we're playing this B dominant 7 chord. Then we're going to our 4, back to the 1. So on the 4, we're just doing same chords, guys. E major chord, going to the 1. Now they're doing this nice little walk. They're going. All that is we're going 3, we're playing a B major chord, going to our 4, that's a D flat minor chord, going to the 5, that's a B major chord. I know it sounds weird, but this is the chord. We're on our 6, and we're playing a D minor chord, and then we're playing our D flat minor chord on the 7, then we're going to our 1, that's a B major chord. The next part is, but Lord, I want to thank you for waking me this morning and letting me kneel down and pray again. All right, let's stop right there. So we're on our 1 first, right? Regular B major chord. We're playing a regular 7, 3, 6 pass. What is that 7, 3, 6? Right there on the 7, we're playing our D flat minor chord. Going to our 3, and we're playing a G augmented chord. Going to our G flat major chord on the 6. Stay on the 6, and we're playing our A flat minor chord now. Then we're going to our D flat dominant 7 on the 2. We're just walking up to our 5, and then we're playing this beautiful chord here. This is our G flat dominant 7 chord. Just take that last note up a little bit. We're just adding that D, and then we're going to the next part. I could have been dead, sleeping in my grave. You made old death go away and made it behave. All right, guys, so all we're doing is we're going pretty much the same thing, right? So we're going 1, and we're playing our B major chord. We're doing this, we're going 6, 5, 6. Going to our B dominant 7 chord on the 1, and then we're just walking up. We're just going 2, 3 flat, 3. Then we're going to our 4, that's an E major chord. Going up to our 5 flat, and we're playing this D diminished 7. Then we're going, and this is the groove right here. Guys, this groove right here can take you on out in the song. This is the vamp, pretty much, right? Now, all we're doing is we're going 1, that's a B major chord. Then we're going 6, 5, 6, going to our 4. Then we're going 2, 1, 2, 6, 5, 6, 2, 1, 2, 1, 6, 5, 6, 4, 2, 1, 2. And that's the groove. Guys, I hope this song was a blessing for you. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is when the music stopped. I was in the audience with my wife and the praise team waiting for our time to play, but I wasn't fully present. I was fighting through a gout attack. My foot throbbed with every shift in my seat, reminding me that even sitting still didn't bring relief. Up front, a young musician sat at the keyboard, playing soft, gentle chords that filled the room like a calm breeze. Nothing loud, nothing forced, just steady, quiet beauty. Then the preacher got up. He was the energetic type, the kind that walks in ready to lift the whole room. He grabbed the mic, looked around, and after a moment said, "All right now, that's enough of that. This ain't no dead church. We need something lively." You could tell what he meant. He wanted energy. He wanted those preaching chords, the kind that make people stand up, clap, and feel something move. But the young musician, he stopped completely. Hands off the keys, arms folded, eyes locked on the preacher like he was ready to go 12 rounds right there in the sanctuary. The room froze for a split second. The preacher glanced back at him, read the situation real quick, then slowly turned back to the audience and said, "Well, I guess he's not gonna play." I couldn't help it, I laughed. In the middle of my pain, in the middle of pushing through, that moment broke through everything. But as funny as it was, it also said something deeper. Life lesson. A bad attitude can silence your gift faster than any instruction ever could. Stay teachable, stay flexible, because how you respond in the moment can either open doors or quietly close them. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and working with us on today. And David Sims, thank you again for that awesome song. Please request more. Yes, you know what, guys? This is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to. Yep, I heard you say it, 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million.
And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us.
We have a bell. I would love it if you can hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Guys, you know what? It takes 3 seconds to hit that bell and subscribe. I want you to hit it in 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit it and you just hit that bell. Guys, you have just made my day, my month, my year, and my season. You know what? You're not just playing the music, but you are the music. This is AK. We're signing off.